In this WW full day of eating, I am not only sharing WW points, but I'm also sharing healthy points. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Corinna. I am filming this on a weekend, and our weekend meal routine looks a little different than our weekly meal routine. We seem to be a little more laid back, and we eat breakfast a little later. So that's where I'm gonna start you off, is with breakfast. This morning for breakfast, we're gonna make a little breakfast bowl. So I have some shredded hash browns. I have a packet of country gravy mix. We're just gonna use a little bit of this. I have some egg substitute. You can use just regular eggs too if you want to. And then I also have this Applegate savory turkey breakfast sausage. This is my favorite breakfast sausage. So we're going to use one of these links. In the WW app, I just scanned each item. Eggs are 0 points. The hash brown potatoes are 0 points. The gravy mix, we're only going to use a tablespoon of it, which is 9 grams, and that's 1 point. And then the turkey sausage, for 1 link, it's 1 point. So breakfast through Weight Watchers is only 2 points. For healthy, it's going to be a little bit different because we have to count the egg and the potato. So it comes up 1 cup. I don't want 1 cup. I'm going to do a half a cup, which brings it down to 1 point. It says breakfast, and I'm going to track it. For the turkey sausage, 3 links is 2 points. I'm going to bring that down to 1 link, which ends up being 1 point. The egg substitute on healthy, this is actually less points than an egg. A large egg is 2 points. So for this, I'm going to do a half of a cup, not 1 1/2, and that is 1 point. And then the gravy mix, 1 tablespoon is 1 point. Breakfast through healthy is 4 points. I have a measuring cup. This one's wider, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put half a cup of the hash brown potatoes in here. I'm adding them into my air fryer. I sprayed the potatoes with extra virgin olive oil spray, and then for seasonings, I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and, oh, this guy got turned around, salt. Because it's such a small amount, I'm only going to put them in for a minute and check them 1 minute at a time on 400. That was a minute. I'm going to put them in for 1 more minute. Give them a little shake. Wake them up in there. The turkey sausage, I put it in the microwave and thawed it out for about 30 seconds. I cut it up. I put it in a pan that I sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. I have 1 tablespoon of the gravy mix. I'm going to put that in a little bowl. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to it and mix it up. My pan sounds like it's ready for my eggs. Oh yeah. I'm going to add some salt and pepper to these too. I'm going to scramble them up, and then I got to get my country gravy into the microwave for just a minute or so. To build the bowl, I start with the potatoes and add the eggs with the sausage, and then pour that country gravy over top of everything. I'll have the measurements on the screen, and I'm going to have the measurements and time down below in the description for this country gravy. And that is breakfast, packed with protein and super delicious and filling. I'm also drinking black coffee, which is 0 points. Now it's a perfect breakfast. I have the WW app, which I will be showing you along the way, but me personally, I follow the Healthy app, and I am under carb conscious. It's a personal choice, but I like to compare both. It is almost 1 o'clock, so I'm going to start lunch. This one we haven't had in a very, very long time, and it is a fried rice. I usually add chicken to my fried rice, but I decided to do something a little different. I am going to use these Bibigo wontons. These are a mini wonton, and they are chicken and vegetable dumplings. I used to make these quite often, and I forgot about them. I spotted them the other day in the store, and I was like, oh, hello, they are so delicious. So we're gonna have these instead of chicken. Let me show you the points. I'm gonna start out in the Weight Watcher app. So I'm in lunch, I hit that plus. I'm gonna go right here to the scanner. This is for 13 pieces at 6 points. I'm gonna adjust that. 13 is a lot. So for 8 of the wontons, it's only 3 points. Also on the side, I'm gonna have chicken egg roll. I get these from Walmart. They are really good. For 1 egg roll, it is 3 points. So for fried rice, egg and the vegetables that I put into it are 0 points. So all I need to do for Weight Watchers is figure out the rice. So in the search bar, I am typing in rice. It says cooked jasmine rice. 1 cup is 6 points. I'm gonna go with half a cup, and then the eggs and the vegetables are gonna bulk it up. For a half a cup of rice, it is 3 points. So for this meal, it is 9 points. For Weight Watchers, that leaves me with 12 points for the day. Now we're in the Healthy app. So I'm gonna hit the plus sign for lunch. If you're following healthy, you have to count your egg. For 1 large egg, it is 1 bite. I'm gonna switch that because the egg will be into the fried rice. I'm gonna figure in about 1/2 of a large egg, which brings it down to 1 point. And while I'm here, I'm also going to search rice. Jasmine for 1 cup is 5 points. I'm gonna switch that to 1/2 cup, brings it down to 3 points. Now I'm gonna scan the wontons. For 13, it's 5 points. I'm gonna bring it down to 8, which puts it at 3. I'm gonna hit done. It's on lunch, track. And then the egg roll, I'm gonna tap the little scanner button. For 1 egg roll, it's 4 points. And for this meal on healthy, it is 11 points. That leaves me with 5 points for the day. My rice is in my rice cooker, so that is going very first. I have enough wontons in here for me, Jay, and Tim. I'm gonna spray them with extra virgin olive oil spray, and then I'm gonna cook them on 380 for 8 minutes. For the egg, I just mix them up in a bowl. I don't add anything to them other than salt and pepper. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 1-minute intervals until they are cooked through. The eggs come out light and fluffy. I'm adding a little bit of sesame seed oil to the pan. I'm not counting it, but if you want to, you definitely can. This was after 1 minute in the microwave. I break it up a little bit and I'm gonna put it right back in again for 1 minute. It ended up only taking 2 minutes and I'm just breaking it up, and look at how fluffy that is. It's such an easy way to add egg into fried rice. So I'm gonna set this aside. The wontons are done. Those look so good. I am gonna just set these aside because I need this air fryer for our egg rolls. In my fried rice, I add low sodium soy sauce and I add a little bit of hoisin. 1 tablespoon of hoisin is 1 point if you wanna count it. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce is 0 points. If you go above the 2 tablespoons, and if you wanna count it, then points start adding up. I'm still waiting on my rice. It takes a little bit to cook. But I like to add a little bit of peas and carrots into my fried rice. And I just keep this bag in my freezer, and whenever I make it, I just use a little bit at a time. I put them in frozen. They thaw perfectly in the pan of fried rice. I just thought about it and I thought, you know what? I better put an apron on because cooking with even a little bit of oil, I do not want my shirt getting stained. That is no fun when that happens. Okay, I need you to do me a favor. Remind me that the chicken is on the outside. Those are the chicken egg rolls. The pork ones are the front and the back. These go on 350 for 7, and then I flip them, and then 7 more minutes. So I have the rice cooking in a little bit of that sesame oil, and I'm going to season this up. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, some onion powder, a little bit of that soy sauce, and a squirt of hoisin. I added in those peas and carrots. I'm gonna let them cook and thaw out in this rice. Now I added in those eggs. I just love the colors of this dish. Also, I have been working on water throughout the day. I just filled this up again and I was like, oh, I forgot to tell you, I've been drinking water. 1/2 cup of rice, and I have 8 of those wontons and an egg roll. That is a delicious dinner. Oh my, I cannot wait to dig in. I am also drinking some 0 sugar Minute Maid lemonade. One great thing about cooking dinner earlier on the weekends is that we get to get the kitchen all cleaned up, and then we get to relax for the afternoon. And now I'm going to have a afternoon coffee. It's just a black coffee and it's 0 points. It's about 6 o'clock at night already. And I am snacky, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna have a bag of this Smart Pop. It's the mini bags. It has butter. There's 12 of them in a pack. I get these at Walmart. And I'm also gonna have one of these Fiber One brownies. They're so delicious. They have chocolate chips going throughout a chocolate brownie with chocolate swirl on the top. Very yummy. So I had 5 points left over. I'm gonna take you into the app. But for Weight Watchers, I had like, what, 12 points or something left over. So I scanned both of these, and the popcorn is, oh, this is 2 bags. Let me adjust that. I thought it was for 1 bag. I was like, wait a minute. Okay, that's better. 3 points for 1 bag. Gonna update that. And then the brownie is 2 points. That would leave me still with 7 points for the day. If I were on Weight Watchers, I could use those or just let them go. But if you're following Weight Watchers, I think it's like 2 cups of air popped popcorn is 0 points. So you wouldn't need to use those 3 points if you don't have them. Okay, going into the Healthy app. I'm gonna go under snack. I'm gonna scan the little brownie, And for one brownie, it is 2 points. Now the popcorn, for one of the mini bags, it is 3 points. And that finishes off my day. I always set my microwave for 5 minutes and then I just stop it when I hear that it's done popping. My microwave does have a popcorn button on it, and we have tried that before, but it just doesn't work every time, so it's just easier for me to hit the 5 minutes and then listen for it to stop popping. I love adding a little bit of whipped cream to the top of the brownie. It just makes it extra special. And putting the popcorn in a bowl helps my hands not get overly messy because of the butter. It makes quite a bit of popcorn for one of those little mini bags. And that is gonna do it for me today. I'm gonna enjoy my little snack that I got going on here. Thank you so much for being here. I always enjoy your company. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Hang on a second. Here are 2 more WW videos that you can watch next. Thank you for all of your amazing support. You are awesome.